Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I want to talk a little bit about septic tank installation. Got a really good example here. First of all, this is not my job. I'm not building this home. So if you see things that are wrong, it's not my fault. Secondly, if you discover something new while watching the video, maybe you could give me a tip. Just click that thanks text link that's under the video and maybe buy me a couple ice cream cones, a couple of beers, whatever. Understand that all of the money that I collect, that goes right back into these videos. I reinvest it in new equipment to try to make the best possible videos for you and to make more of them. So the more revenue that I get from that, I can take off more time to create more videos. Nothing about this is hard. Let's get started. What you're looking at is a pad, a leveled pad, that's got crushed gravel in it, where they're going to put the septic tank for this particular home. All right, and this was solid granite, and about 2-3 days ago a machine was here and chipped out all of the granite that was here to be able to put this gravel down, because they need that to be perfectly level to set the septic tank down. And I will show that to you hopefully this in the next day or so. They might come and put it in. But here's what you need to understand. When you see the septic tank come in, it's got a hole in it where the sewage goes into the tank, and then there's another pipe that comes out of the septic tank, and it's going to go this direction. Eventually there will be a pipe that comes through here, and this is the leach field that they installed over the past few days. So there's all the sand for the leach field, and they may still have to put pipes on top of that and add more sand, but this is where the leach field for this septic tank is going to be. All right, and up on that hill, way up there, you might be able to see that is the sewage pipe that's coming from the home. So it's headed this way, and they also have an electrical conduit coming to it. Can't for the life of me figure out why they would need electricity in the septic tank. Can't wait to see what that connects to, because typically septic tanks, they don't need any electricity. But you need to understand that the relationship of this level here is very critical to what the pipe is wherever it comes out of the home. So in other words, you don't want your septic tank sitting too high, because then gravity can't get the sewage from the house to the septic tank. Really important. At this stage of the job, it's really important for you to understand. Your takeaway for this should be that when you go to buy a lot and you know it's going to have a septic tank on it, you need to make sure that you understand where the septic tank is going to go, how deep it can go into the ground, and can you get the pipe from the house to the septic tank with enough fall so that the water's not going the wrong way and heading back towards the house, right? And also, you have to consider from the septic tank to the leach field, you also have to have fall for that. So in other words, you need to buy a lot that is not perfectly flat. You want to buy a lot that's got some slope to it, but it has to have the slope in the correct direction, all right? You got to think all this stuff through. And if you need help doing it, guess what? I offer that service. In the description of this video is a link where I'm happy to call you on the phone and show you exactly how to make sure that your septic tank's going to work. All you have to do is click that link, place an order, and then I just need to look at your plan or look at the site plan of the lot you're thinking about building. All right, remember, if you discovered something new in the video, just click that text link under the video that says thanks. Click it. Go ahead, maybe buy me a beer, buy me an ice cream cone. Mocha chip is my favorite. Or a box of dark chocolate pecandis from Aglamisi's in Cincinnati. Oh my gosh, they are so good. Oh my gosh. All right, anyway, thanks very much for watching the video. I'm going to do another one on the septic tank. I'm going to watch really closely each day, and when they deliver that septic tank, that night I'm going to do the second video so that you can understand the relationship of where the water comes into the septic tank and where it exits the tank. All right, watch for that video. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.